So hey family, so today talking about best Bitcoin mining software. Yes guys, cryptocurrency Bitcoin is very best cryptocurrency, is the number one cryptocurrency in Bitcoin, but best Bitcoin mining software. So today talking about this video in best Bitcoin mining software. So guys, let's get started. So let's go. So guys, best Bitcoin mining software, it is very best mining software, top 4 best Bitcoin mining software. It is let's get started. For let's go. So guys, top 4 best Bitcoin mining software 2022, and CG miner, and second software is BFG miner, and third is multi miner, and fourth is awesome miner. Yes guys, this is the fourth best software in best Bitcoin mining software for 2022. It is very fast working, and for best software in best Bitcoin the mining software, and the CG miner, it is very best Bitcoin mining software. So let's get started in CG miner. So guys, CG miner, why we choose it as one of the oldest Bitcoin mining software? CG miner is our choice as the best overall due to its open secure build ability to the run on any computer, and with multi mining hardware, very oldest Bitcoin mining software, and this is the very fast working and very best services for CG miner. Best Bitcoin mining software in 2022 is very best software. It is a very fast running, it is very smoothly running, and more options are available, and this is the planning for very best planning for CG miner. So guys, talking about is the next Bitcoin mining software. So let's go. So guys, BFG miner, why we choose is BFG miner software designed for FPGA and HSIG mining. BFG miner offer advanced user the opportunity to tweak many appreciate to of their many mining process with cooking and remote mining, and the different type option are available. And BFG miner, it is a very advanced and very best customization are available in BFG miner, very best Bitcoin mining software in 2022. So guys, let's get started in the third best Bitcoin mining software, multi miner. Yes guys, why we choose it in multi miner? Developed using the mining engine of BFG miner, multi miner feature a clean GUI, automatic hardware decision mining software is the feature are available in multi miner. So guys, let's get started this finally mining Bitcoin mining software. So awesome miner, the why we choose is awesome miner, very powerful. Awesome miner is a very powerful mining software, and Bitcoin, it is very fast running, it is management software is very best, as a result is very good, and all from one dashboard as a result. Yes guys, so guys, you like this video, and please share this video and press the bell icon and subscribe button.